Oh, we're starting. Okay, let's see here. All right, yeah, we got to get the roots out, the bark. Yep. Okay, this is really launching it. Okay, so we're shaving it down. Shaving. This is a homemade hand planer, or what I can only imagine is a lathe. He talks about lathes a lot, so maybe this is a lathe. Look at that lathe. Man, that really did its work. And then it makes the wood look all, wow, it's had better days. Okay. Cleaning. Cleaning is very important, but not on the floor. Just the table is important to clean, I guess. So he loves sanding. One of his passions is sanding. So anything that he can find to sand, bam. Okay, so we're not gonna leave it white. This is a nice little shine. This is glue, probably. More glue. What is happening? Okay. This is permanent. This is gonna stay on here. Yep. Okay. Let that sit right there, because we'll see. We're all gonna find out together what's gonna happen here. I don't know what this glue is for, but I'm sure that was an important phase. Okay, so, oh, we're pouring epoxy. Okay. So this is going to be a nice river table, but the river is small, so we'll work with that. Okay, yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Looks kind of rough to me, and I'm sure that was on purpose. Yikes. Uh-oh. That wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, fixed it. Okay, so we put some epoxy in there. Everything's looking good. And the box is back. Whatever that's for. Yeah, what is he doing? So I don't know what we're pointing at. I don't know if those are good or bad that we pointed out. This sander is what we like to call in the business the mumbo jumbo. See, again, sanding is his passion. Yep. So I have no idea why he drew on pencil marks there. He likes coloring, so he added a little extra pencil marks to that. Oh, and we're sanding again. This, I think, is the 10th time we've sanded. Oh, so this is painted glue, and we're putting it in all the extra holes and then spraying it. Ah! I can only imagine why we're sanding this so much. Look at that. Okay, so we've sanded like 25 times now. I can only assume we're gonna sand again. So this is the part where we apply epoxy, and then you just kind of pour a bunch in, see what happens. Bottom doesn't matter. Oh, no, it does matter. So we put all of that epoxy on top to make it look more like a river. You resand it. So this is number 26 of sanding, I can only imagine. Oh, hello, it's a table. Okay, so I don't know what's happening here, but I'm sure it's important. Oh, we're cleaning. Yes, he loves to clean. Oh, I thought we were gonna wait till we put the legs on. So those were important, obviously, because then it makes it work. And then look at that.